When your Philips Sonicare charger shows a fast blinking light, it's trying to tell you something important about your toothbrush's charging status. The fast blinking light typically indicates a charging error or battery malfunction. Here you can see the orange warning light that appears when there's an issue. Different blinking patterns have specific meanings. A rapid green blinking light typically indicates a charging error or battery issue. A fast orange or amber blinking light usually signals overheating or a charger malfunction. Alternating colors may indicate firmware or communication problems, especially common in newer smart models. The most common causes of fast blinking lights include battery degradation, especially in toothbrushes that are 2 or more years old. Here you can see the internal charging components and coils that make the wireless charging possible. These sensitive components can malfunction over time. Newer Sonicare models with lithium-ion batteries are more sensitive to charging irregularities compared to older models with nickel metal hydride batteries. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is to clean the charging contacts. This resolves about 45% of fast blinking light issues. If cleaning doesn't work, try resetting the charging cycle. Remove the toothbrush from the charger for 24 hours to completely drain the battery. Then charge uninterrupted for another 24 hours. Temperature is crucial for proper charging. Always charge in a room temperature environment between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid heat sources and direct sunlight. If the problem persists, test with a different Sonicare-compatible charger. Check the power adapter's voltage output to ensure it matches the specifications. About 25% of cases require charger replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, try battery calibration. Charge for 24 hours continuously, then use the toothbrush until the battery completely depletes. Repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times to recalibrate the battery management system. Finally, consider the cost-effectiveness of repair versus replacement. For toothbrushes under 2 years old, repair is typically worthwhile. For older models, compare the cost of replacement parts against purchasing a new toothbrush. These troubleshooting steps resolve about 70% of fast blinking light issues. Start with cleaning contacts, progress through the charging cycle reset, and consider professional repair or replacement based on your toothbrush's age and condition.